Man, I miss Garnet Silk. Yeah, man, one of the greatest artists ever out of Jamaica. If you don't know Garnet Silk, you better get to know him. If you ask you how good Garnet Silk is, make sure you say, yeah, man, extremely good. If you think a joke thing, check this out.
Yes, easy.
And this is even before him start Russ. Here we go!
Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side. Ebony and Ivory live together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Hold on, why won't we?
Hear this singer no man.
Yeah. We all know that people are the same way wherever you go.
True that.
In everyone, learn to live while we learn to give each other what we need to survive.
You know.
Together alive, Ebony and Ivory. Together in perfect harmony, side by side on my piano keyboard. Hold on, why won't we?
The silky one.
Ebony, Ivory, living in
Angel.
perfect harmony.
So them call him, no?